back to my channel, and I say that I haven't been posting a lot, but I have so much stuff. So in this video I will be doing 5 iceberg slimes. I got this one that my brother made. It's like black. Then this one that I made. I added a whole bunch of purple. This one that I made. The orange one. Then all of these were left out for 2 to 3 days, and then don't mind the background music. And then this one was just left 1 day. Well, no, 2 days. These were left 3 days. So I'm gonna try it. And I don't usually like iceberg slimes. I just like the sound and do not mind the background. So yeah, so I'm gonna start with this purple one. And it's kind of sticky. I'm just leaving it here. Do not mind the background music. Do not mind the background. So take it off. On to the next one. So I got my brother's. Don't mind watching Lily Pond because she's super awesome. This is honestly kind of hard. And the bit just as I expected. It is black. So I mixed it a little bit. So let's have that turn down. Oh my god, my hands are black. On to the next one. I'm going to do this orange one. I hate this on top of my iceberg slimes. So I'm gonna mix it. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I got a little bit of black, so on to the next one. I'm doing this one. So if you have beads, it makes it harder, but if you don't, it is not that hard. So I'm mixing it a little bit, and this is how it's coming out. Beads and everything, so. Onto the very last one. I got this pink one with orange beads and purple. Look at this. I'm adding a whole bunch of black and purple in it. It's so pretty. Yeah, definitely. Like I said, come out. So I'm gonna go. Okay, so guys, I'm back, and thank you for watching my video. Bye.